In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace outer tie rods on a Nissan Maxima. They are located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Now let's go ahead and remove our front wheel using a 21mm socket. We're going to start off by making our way behind the front wheel and locating our inner tie rod jam nut. We're going to break this loose first. It is a 22mm. I'll be using a wrench. Now we're going to remove our cotter pin. I'm using my cutting pliers to pry it out. Dispose of it properly. Now I'm going to remove our outer tie rod nut using a 19mm. Now to separate the tie rod from the knuckle, I'm going to strike this part of the knuckle with a hammer. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. As you can see now, it's broken free, so now just lift up and set it aside. Now let's remove our outer tie rod. I'm going to count how many rotations we remove it by so we have a good alignment reference during reinstallation. We have 1, 2, 3, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So during reinstallation, we are going to turn it in 15 times. Now to install our outer tie rod, we're going to remove our castle nut and discard this plastic cover properly. But before we do that, I'm going to apply some anti-seize on our inner tie rod. We removed it by 15 rotations, so we'll go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, and 15. Now I'm going to secure our jam nut. Leave it hand tight for now. Now we're going to slide our inner tie rod on our knuckle. Now I'm going to hand thread on my 18mm castle nut. We're going to torque this down to 29 foot-pounds. Now we're going to take a look at our castle nut and see the teeth aligned with the hole on the tie rod stud. As you can see, they're aligned, so we could go ahead and install our cotter pin. If it's not, keep tightening until they are. Cut off the edges and push them in. Now let's go ahead and snug down our jam nut. Now let's install our wheel. I'm going to install my 5 21mm lug nuts. Now we're going to torque these lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern. And that completes our install. Go ahead and take the vehicle for a road test. Head down to your local shop to get alignment, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.